Welcome back children to our part 2 video of today's assignment, and you all know that today we are doing English language, and today is the last exercise which we are going to do in English language, and after that we will be doing essay part and storytelling part, okay, from tomorrow. So make sure that today is the last day when I am completing this topic of the pronouns, and I hope you all have understood the topic of pronouns very clearly. Yesterday also I have explained you, and today also in the first part video I hope you all have watched it, and I have explained the whole topic of pronouns very nicely. Now in this video, that is part 2 video, today we are going to do one notebook exercise, and by that we will complete our topic chapter number 11, that is the pronouns. Okay, so let's get started with our exercise of notebook. So for that, first of all children, you have to take out your English language notebook and turn to a new page. Okay, and I hope you all have completed your work which I gave you yesterday. I will show it to you first. That on 21st we have started with our 25th we have started with our chapter number 11, that is pronouns, and first part we have done of the introduction part, in which I have given you the definition of pronouns with examples, and then after that we have started the introduction part of all the points, that is first person, second person, third person, and after that with examples. And yesterday on 26th we have completed the table of personal pronouns, in which we have I have given you 3 columns in which I have I have told you to write these words which are pronouns and how they are used. I have explained it to you. Then next exercise, part C, was to write a pronoun that could replace the underlined words in each sentence. So I hope you all have completed your work till here, and now today we are going to start with a new exercise. So what you will do, first of all you will write down today's date, that is 27/8/2021. In the first line you will give the heading chapter number 11, the pronoun, and then in the next line, second line, you will give the heading of the exercise which you are going to do, that is part D, fill in the blanks with the pronouns given in the brackets. So in this exercise what you are going to do children, there are some sentences given, around 8 sentences are there in this exercise, and each sentence is having one blank, and at the end of each sentence there is a bracket, and in that bracket there are 2 options for you all. Okay, so both the 2 words are pronouns, but you have to choose the correct pronoun for the particular sentence and you have to fill it in the blank. Is that clear? आपको सेंटेंस अच्छे से पढ़ के समझ के ब्रैकेट में जो 2 प्रोनाउंस दिए हैं उनमें से करेक्ट प्रोनाउन को सेलेक्ट करके और अपने डैश में लिखना है. ओके, जो आपको डैश बना के दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे उसमें आपको फिलअप करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो वेरी इजी एक्सरसाइज एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First sentence, will you please give the ball back? It is dash, और ब्रैकेट में क्या दिया है? Me, mine. The 2 options are me and mine. Okay, अब यहाँ सेंटेंस में क्या पूछा है? Will you please give the ball back? क्या मुझे मेरी बॉल आप वापस दोगे? It is dash. It is me आएगा या mine? Yes, it is mine. So what you will write here? M-I-N-E, mine. Is that clear to you all? Will you please give the ball back? It is mine. Clear? Now coming to the second sentence, my cycle is black but dash is blue. You or yours? अब इस सेंटेंस में बोला है कि मेरी साइकिल ब्लैक कलर की है बट आपकी ब्लू है. तो यहाँ पे हम किसी सेकंड पर्सन को डिनोट कर रहे हैं, किसी सेकंड पर्सन को हम कुछ बोल रहे हैं, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं सेकंड पर्सन में? यू या योर्स. बट यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? योर्स. सो योर करेक्ट वर्ड, योर करेक्ट प्रोनाउन इज YOURS, yours, and you will write this pronoun in this blank. Is that clear? Now coming to the third sentence, this pen is dash, you forgot it here. Is that clear? So children, the 2 options are yours and you. Okay, this pen is dash, you forgot it here. So the two options, yours and you, which one will be correct? Now in the first sentence blank is given, but in the second sentence it is starting with you. So what you will write here? Yours. You will end the first sentence with yours. This pen is yours. So what you will write? yours, yours. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth sentence, I could find my books, but शोभित एंड टिया कुड नॉट फाइंड डैश. ओके, मुझे मेरी बुक्स तो मिल गई बट शोभित और टिया को नहीं मिल रही. सो योर टू ऑप्शंस आर देयर्स और हर्स. नाउ यहाँ पर शोभित और टिया दो लोगों के बारे में बात हो रही है. ओके, तो हम उनके लिए हर्स तो यूज नहीं करेंगे, कोई एक गर्ल के बारे में तो बात नहीं हो रही. यहाँ बात हो रही है शोभित और टिया की, तो दैट मीन्स we will use theirs here. Okay, so what you will write? Now this theirs will be the pronoun of third person. Okay, so you will write here theirs, theirs. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the fifth sentence, I think those blocks are dash, and the two options are us, ours. Now मुझे लगता है ये blocks हमारे हैं, तो अस तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे इसमें, क्योंकि अस हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम अपने आप के बारे में बताते हैं, बट हम यहाँ पर किसी और को बता रहे हैं अपने लिए, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? OURS, ours. Is that clear? So in the fifth blank what you will write? OURS, ours. Clear to you all? Now coming to the sixth sentence, they live in this blue house, the house is. Next sentence is they live in this blue house, the house is dash, and the two options are theirs, ours. Now here we are talking about they. That means I am telling someone, that is the second person, and I am telling that second person about the third person. Okay, so that means if I have used the word they in the starting, so in the last also I will use theirs. Okay, I will not use ours, क्योंकि हम किसी और के घर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो उनका ही तो घर होगा, तो we will write theirs. So what pronoun will be used here? THEIRS, theirs. Okay, now coming to the seventh sentence, look, the gardener is leaving, the water hose is dash. Okay, gardener is leaving, देखो gardener जा रहा है, he is leaving, and the water hose is dash. Water hose क्या है? Two options, his या mine. So your correct pronoun which you will use here will be his, क्योंकि हम यहाँ gardener की बात कर रहे हैं, तो water hose भी तो उसी का होगा. So look, the gardener is leaving, the water hose is his. So what you will write here? HIS, his. Clear to you all? Now coming to the eighth sentence, that is the last sentence, your handwriting is neater than dash. Two options are me, mine. आपकी handwriting मेरे से ज़्यादा neat है. So what you will use as pronoun here? Me or mine? When you are using the word pronoun your, then in the next place you will use mine. Your handwriting is neater than mine. Okay, so what you will write here? MINE, mine. Now mine is the word which is used at the place of second person. Okay, when we are talking about when we are talking to a second person and we are telling him something, then we will use the word mine. Okay, your handwriting is neater than mine. So that is all for today's exercise, children, and by this we complete with our chapter number 11, that is the pronoun. So I hope you all have understood it very clearly, and now I want you all to watch this video very carefully, and I want you all to complete this work in your notebooks by today itself, and from tomorrow I will be giving you some other things like essay writing and picture composition, and all these things we will be doing. So I want you all to complete all the work on time. Is that clear to you all? So children, till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.